Dear student, today we have to learn functions in MS Excel. First of all, we have to know what is functions. A function is a predefined formula that performs calculations using specific values in a particular order. Now we are going to learn the sum function. Just let us learn how do we use sum function. As we know, the formula must start with a equal sign. So first of all, we have to put a equal sign and sum, SUM sum, opening parenthesis, starting cell range, that is C2, and put a colon sign, and ending cell range, that is H2, and put a closing parenthesis and press enter key. Now you have the sum of the cell range C2 to H2. Look at once again. To add the another rows, equal sign, SUM sum, opening parenthesis, starting cell range, that is C3, put a colon sign, and ending cell range, that is H3, and put a closing parenthesis and press enter. We get the sum. There is no need to write the sum function or use the sum function for each and every row. You can simply copy it. Just place the cell pointer to the cell that is to be copied and place the mouse pointer right bottom of the cell pointer and press and hold the left mouse button and drag it down. Now you have the sum of all the rows. Okay. The next function is average function. The average function is used to find the average of a given cell range. Let us try to use the average function. Put a equal sign, A, B, E, R, A, G, E, average, opening parenthesis, and cell range, that is C2, put a colon sign, and ending cell range, that is H2, and put a closing parenthesis and press enter key. Similarly, we can find the average of another rows. Just look at equal sign, A, B, E, R, A, G, E, average, opening parenthesis, starting cell range, that is C3, put a colon sign and ending cell range, that is H3, and close the parenthesis and press a enter key. Just to find the average of the another three rows, you need to copy it like this. Now you have a percentage or average of the given numbers. Now the another function is count function. Count function is used to count the cells that contains a number or values. Just if you want to know how many cells are there that contains a value, put a equal sign, COUNT, count, and opening parenthesis and the cell range, that is C2, and colon sign and ending cell range, that is C6, and close the parenthesis and press enter key. It displays 5. Why? Because in this cell range there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. So we get the result 5. Say if you add here another number like 55, now you have the value 6. Why it comes 6? Why 6 is coming here? Because now there are 6 values in the cell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's why 6 is displayed here. Let us learn once again. If we write here another number and here you want to use the count function, COUNT, count, opening parenthesis, starting cell range, that is C2, colon sign, ending cell range, that is C11, and put a colon close a parenthesis. Now we have 9. Why we get the 9? Because there are 9 cells that contains a value. Let us count it: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's why here 9 is displayed. The another function is max function. Max function is used to find the maximum or largest number in the given cell range. Let us see how do we use it. Put a equal sign, type a max, max, opening parenthesis and starting cell range, that is C2, and put a colon sign and click on ending cell range, that is C6, and close the parenthesis and press enter key. You have the highest number. Look at here in column C, there is a 87, that is the highest in this given cell range. Similarly, we can find the highest in Hindi. Then how do we use it? Put a equal sign, type max, opening parenthesis, range cell range, that is D2 colon D6, and close the parenthesis and press enter key. Here in Hindi there is a 82, that is highest in the given cell range. Similarly, we can find the maximum or highest number in another subject, but if you want to copy it, then place the cell pointer to the required cell and press and hold the left mouse button and drag it. Now we have the highest in maths, science, SST and computer. If you want to know the highest or largest total, then simply we can copy the formula also in the total column like this. The total highest marks is 533. Similarly, we can copy the formula in cell J7. You get the highest percentage, that is 88.83. The another function we have to learn, that is mean function. Mean function is used to find the lowest number in the given cell range. Just look at the screen. Equal sign, min, opening parenthesis, starting cell range, that is C2, put a colon sign and ending cell range, that is C6, close the parenthesis and press enter key. Now we have the lowest number in the given cell range, that is 56. Let us look once again. Put a equal sign, type min, mean, opening parenthesis, starting cell range, colon sign and click on the ending cell range and close the parenthesis and press enter key. Now we have lowest in Hindi, lowest marks in Hindi, that is 56, and just copy it. Place the cell pointer to the cell D8 and place the mouse pointer to the right bottom of the cell and drag it right. Now we have the lowest marks in Hindi, maths, science, SST, computer, and lowest total marks and lowest percentage. Okay, thank you.